One share of SpaceX costs around $200 right now and probably not getting any cheaper anytime soon, so I gave myself a mission. Do store gigs until I've earned enough money to buy one share. Stay until the end because we're going to find out exactly how much a share cost by the time I was done and whether these little $3 and $5 gigs were actually enough to get there. The day started at about 7 a.m. Nothing crazy, just the type of gigs I do all the time. Walk into Lowe's, take a couple photos of mops, answer a few questions, move on to the next location. $3 here at the auto parts store. I love doing these ones. They're super easy. $5 doing one at BJ's that took a lot longer than I was expecting. Another quick one at 7-Eleven. Only paid $2, but I was passing right by. None of these are actually exciting on their own, but the totals was starting to move by about lunchtime. It was up to $25. The cool thing about field agent is once you're already out, the next gig is usually isn't far away. So I kept stacking them. There was like 6 gigs at the BJ's, another photo audit at Publix, another payout, and before long I have knocked out a bunch of them and the running total was $75, but I was really tired and hungry. Then I noticed something interesting. I was already visiting a bunch of Publix for Field Agent, and that's where Mobee came in. Mobee is another app that is pretty similar, and sometimes there'll be gigs for Mobee at the same place where there is gigs for Field Agent. So they had the honey display at four. They had the honey display gig at 4 of the Publix stores that I was already visiting. They were really annoying because there was a lot of honey products, but I wasn't gonna miss out on the money if I was already at the store. So I was there and I stacked those in too. And that's one of my favorite strategies with these is using a bunch of apps and not relying on one single app. If you're already in the store, few extra dollars doesn't sound like much until you keep repeating it. Now the running total is about $100. At this point, I started realizing something. People ask me if a $3 gig is worth it. And honestly, by itself, maybe not. But that's the wrong question. The real question is what happens when you do 10 of them, 20 of them, or if there's 5 of them at one store? What happens when you stack multiple apps together at the same store? That's when these little gigs start turning into kind of real money. After adding up all of the field agent gigs, which wasn't easy because it's kind of hard to tell, I had to scroll through and I had to check a bunch of times, and I also had to put it into ChatGTP. After doing the Mobee Honey gigs, after counting everything, my total came out to $174. Not bad for a bunch of photo audits and taking pictures of mops, but I kept checking Robinhood and the price was well over $200. So I needed to think of something quick. The last gig took me pretty far from home. So instead of driving back for free, I turned on Uber Eats. I figured maybe I'd grab a couple of deliveries on the way. Nothing crazy, just make the drive home a little bit more productive. Well, those deliveries ended up making another $45.41. That brought the grand total to $219.41, and that means mission accomplished. A bunch of field agent gigs, a few Mobee gigs, and some Uber Eats on the drive home earned enough money to buy one share of SpaceX. And if you guys are interested in investing and passive income, I just started a brand new channel called Income Engines, and you could check out this video over here.